This wig is a Shein wig. Like the people that make the clothes, they send you the clothes, the fashions, at affordable price. Well, they have affordable wigs too, babe. You better get into it. Hey GlamGoddess Fam, I am back with another video. Pew, pew, pew. And let it rain and clear it out. Hey. Yes, you guys, I'm back with another hair review. I know they ain't as popping as my fashion hauls, but you know we gotta get it in there. I want y'all to know. I want y'all to know the tea. Okay, and the tea today is, baby girl, this wig is a Shein wig. Like the people that make the clothes, they send you the clothes, the fashions, at affordable price. Well, they have affordable wigs too, babe. You better get into it. Get into it. Anyway, before we get into the tea, please like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell if you want to see more. I am GlamGoddess Jade, and I do plus size fashion content, beauty, makeup, and hair reviews. Okay, so y'all better get with it and come on over and join me like you're doing now. but join me in the other videos too, and subscribe, become a part of the fam. You know what I'm saying? Anywho, let's get into this wig. I got your girl on with nothing. She's just on. Okay, I'll do a close-up in a minute. But this is a deep wavy, and y'all, it's only tangled up because when I say I put this wig through it just now, I made some content. She ain't been brushed in a while, but she still look good, and I just was like, oh, let me do my review. I mean, she's flowing, right? Okay, so I'm gonna insert a video. Let me move over. I'm gonna insert a video of me unpackaging it. The packaging wasn't special. It came in a pink bag. I don't even know what it said on the front, but hey. that pink bag came inside another bag, and then I think they gave me a hairnet, stocking cap, something. They gave me something. It was mediocre, but that's not what we're here for. We're not here for all that. I don't want to know what the wig look like. I want to know what the wig is doing. Okay, so this wig, I want to say, I'm really bad at that, y'all. My memory is shot. I want to say this is a 4x4, or maybe a 5x5. Oh shit, I forgot, y'all. I'll have the details, but the lace was very, very light. I did bleach the knots. I over bleached them. I don't know if you can tell, but I have not fixed it, and she's still sitting. So there's that. She's still sitting. The curls, combed them out. I did a co-wash because, you know, I had to wash out the bleach. I did a co-wash and combed it out. I got minimal, what they call it? Oh, yeah, I'm going blank because it's like 4 o'clock in the morning. I'm going off of like 4 hours of sleep. What is it called when you brush your hair out? Okay, we're gonna come back to that. Or I'll just put it on the screen, you know. But it was like a little ball, maybe I'll say this big, a ball of hair that came out. I'm not getting any shedding. That's what it's called. I don't get too much shedding. Just like on its own. I have to be like messing with it or combing through it to get shedding, but you're gonna get that when you get this deep curly type of hair. I want to say this is 26 inches, so let me stand up for y'all. Okay, this is the back. Can't see any tracks, can't feel any tracks. This is how long it is on me, and I'm 4'11". I mean, come on. Look at that. So cute. Okay, so this is the lace, y'all. It's looking a little orange because I put some makeup on there, but I did over bleach the knots. That's why it's looking that way. Oh, y'all get into that. But she's not glued down, and that's why I was looking for something convenient that's not glued down. I do hauls and I take photos now because I'm getting into that. I'm getting into taking my own photos. So y'all follow me on Instagram for my styling pictures, because I kind of just go on here and just try on clothes. I don't really coordinate them in any way, but I do that on my Instagram. So y'all go over there, follow that. The hair is soft, the texture is soft. I think I put some mousse on it and just scrunched it, you know, to give it the curls back. And she's bouncy. Look at this. Bouncy. Like, this is a really cool wig, and I'm just like, I wish I hadn't over bleached the knots, because now I gotta go back and try to fix it. But knowing me, I probably won't. I ain't that pressed. I am not that pressed. So I may just leave her like this. But what else I want to, oh, okay, so I want to say this wig was like, I always say the pricing is always wrong, but it wasn't over $200. So a deep curly closure wig, 26 inches, that's pretty goddamn good if you ask me. And I've been shopping all over, so okay. So this was definitely a slay. Like, this wig is awesome. Like, I mean, I think she's 150 density. Yeah, I mean, this is like really, really pretty. I wish the hair were black, but you're probably not gonna get your hair black. You have to dye it black. I might dye this black, because I have to go over the knots again. So I may just dye this black and see how she turns out. But the last time I did a wig like that, I dyed the lace black. So your girl's gonna have to do some research. I'm gonna have to research, because I definitely for sure messed that lace up on that wig, and I had to re-bleach knots. There was just a lot going on. But yeah, so y'all let me know if y'all, I just feel like it's so many videos online, on YouTube specifically, that show you how to lay your wigs. Like, and I just don't want to do it. I just kind of want to just review it and let y'all know the tea and get y'all on out of here. But if y'all want me to do how I lay my wigs, I will do one video for you. For you guys, I will do that. Just one, because I just don't see myself doing that. It's too much going on. But I will do that for you. If you want me to do a video of an install, I'll see what I got. Yeah, so that's it. Like I said, this is a slay, y'all. When y'all shop with Shein, just read the reviews. They have people, unless it's a new product that they just posted, that'll be the only reason it's no reviews. But almost every product I've shopped on Shein has had reviews, and the girls on there are awesome. They will give you the real and tell you the truth, because I think they get points. But I think they get points for their comments, even if it's bad. So just as long as they give a review. But they're normally really, really honest, and it's you know, it's like a little Shein community. And some of the comments, I don't want you to rely 100% on the comments, but definitely go there first and check them out, and then you decide. I mean, it doesn't hurt to take a chance. I mean, you can always send it back. But I'm one of those people, like, I don't feel like sending it back. If it's a bad product, then I just gotta take that L. Unless it's something I'm really passionate about, or something I spent a whole lot of money on. Then you gotta run me my money. So yeah, so this, y'all, like I said, y'all try it for yourself. Please like, share, and subscribe. I gotta stop saying so much. I'm tired. I do mostly fashion hauls, but every now and then I will do a beauty review of a beauty product, or a wig, or maybe even some makeup. You never know with me how I feel. But you definitely gonna get some fashion haul. Like, that's my thing. I might even do a styling video, like how I style things. We'll see. But yeah, so like, share, subscribe. Please comment down below. I do read my comments. I try to respond to them. And also hit the notification bell if you want to see me more. If you want to be notified when I post a video, by all means, please hit the notification bell. It helps your girl out. Okay? And we're not here to hate. We are here to love. And if you are trolling my page, like I don't know that I'm fat, get the hell on with that shit. Just get from under, crawl from under the bridge, your miserable dirt pile, whatever you live in. Go on top of the bridge and jump off. Like, I don't have time for that. This is a black girl magic channel. This is a fat girl channel. If you don't like it, you can kick all the rocks in the world. Kick them, because I don't care. All I care about is what my true family cares about. And they always in the comments showing me love and giving me all of the rainbows and unicorns that I need in my life. So that's all I care about. But y'all other ones, y'all can poop. Alright y'all, until next time, be on the lookout. I'm trying to produce more content for y'all. Bye.
Listen to the heart go. Ladies